The mirrorless camera wars are heating up once again, and this time Canon is back in the spotlight. Rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III have sent shockwaves through the photography world. With whispers of a 32MP sensor, a brand new electronic viewfinder, EVF, cutting-edge video capabilities, and a surprisingly aggressive price, it seems Canon is preparing to redefine its full-frame lineup in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hybrid content creator, or an enthusiast looking to upgrade, the Canon R6 III might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll explore all the leaked specs, compare it to its predecessor and rivals, examine its impact on the mirrorless market, and ask the ultimate question: is this the best Canon full-frame camera yet? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the specs, let's look at what the leaks are suggesting in summary. New 32MP full-frame sensor, possibly backside illuminated. Enhanced Digic X Plus image processor. Updated EVF with 5.76 dots resolution. 4K 120 frames per second, 6.2K raw video recording. Dual CF Express Type B plus UHS-2 SD card slots. Improved IBIS up to 8.5 stops. Faster, more intelligent dual-pixel CMOS AF3. Bigger battery and better thermals. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and FTP transfer. Price: around $2,799 at launch. Let's unpack these rumored features in more detail. One of the most surprising and significant rumored upgrades in the Canon EOS R6 III is the jump from 20.1MP R6 and 24MP R6 II to a 32MP sensor. This leap would dramatically boost resolution and give photographers more cropping flexibility and better detail rendering without entering the ultra-high megapixel territory of the R5 or R5 II. More flexibility for landscape, wildlife, and commercial photographers. Better print quality for large format jobs. A sweet spot between speed and detail. Enhanced video oversampling for cleaner 4K. The sensor is also rumored to feature dual gain output, DGO, or at least a stacked CMOS architecture, which would improve dynamic range and low light performance, two areas where Canon is already strong. Another huge upgrade is expected under the hood, a next-gen Digic X Plus image processor. This would mean higher burst rates, possibly up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Better buffer management. Faster subject recognition using deep learning AI. Reduced rolling shutter in electronic modes. Enhanced power efficiency for longer shooting sessions. Canon has been slowly integrating machine learning algorithms into its AF system, and the R6 III might feature the most intelligent subject detection system yet, capable of tracking birds, vehicles, eyes, and even insects with surgical precision. The electronic viewfinder was one of the R6 II's weakest points, lagging behind rivals like Sony and Nikon. That seems to be changing. Leaks suggest 5.76 million EVF, up from 3.69M. High refresh rate, 120 Hz or more. Improved brightness and blackout-free